Nike Running's Pegasus 41 may not have grabbed as many headlines as the Plus and Premium versions this year, but it continues to deliver fresh and exciting updates. Looking ahead to 2026, the popular running shoe is set to release in a black anthracite dark smoke gray metallic dark gray colorway that brings a stealthy and modern look. While the color palette appears subtle at first, closer inspection reveals a standout detail that elevates the design. This version of the Pegasus 41 features a Realtree Camo pattern across its breathable upper, adding a rugged outdoor-inspired edge to a performance-focused silhouette. The same woodland camo graphic is also applied to the footbeds, tying the theme together while maintaining comfort and functionality. The result is a running shoe that balances style, durability, and everyday versatility. Official images have already surfaced, giving fans a clear preview of what to expect. The Nike Pegasus 41 Realtree Camo is expected to release through Nike channels by April 2026, making it one to watch for runners and sneaker fans alike.